Welcome to 2246 Hamilton Ridge Drive East in West Mobile, Alabama. This home is a Victoria floor plan. It offers 4 bedrooms with 2.5 baths and is over 2,300 square feet. Hamilton Ridge is known for its beautiful white quartz countertops, its tray ceilings in the living area and in the primary suite, and the tiled shower in the primary suite. There's also a nice tiled backsplash in the kitchen, along with farm-style sink, stainless steel appliances, and a smart home package. Not only does D.R. Horton have the best rates in town, they're also paying up to $5,000 towards your buyer's closing costs. Call today for your private showing. 251-234-9919. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600.